Hi everyone. Today we will learn about escape characters, user input, and arithmetic operators in Python. Okay, so let's start. So let's start with escape characters, right? So let's say we'll take a text as let's say 14th Feb is Valentine's Day, right? So now if we want to print this text, so let's see how this apostrophe s will come for Valentine's Day. And yeah, so it will come as correctly. Now let's say if we have a use case where there is a quotes, this Valentine's Day, Valentine's word is enclosed in quotes, right? So if you see this wiggle, red wiggle, it's saying the Valentine is not defined. So this we cannot print this, right? So as an escape character, if we want to print like this, how we have to give is we have to give this backslash this and then over here. Now see that red wiggle is gone, right? So it is taking this as a correct string. Now if you want to print this, see it is restoring the quotes in Valentine's. So that's how. So this backslash is the escape character where we want to put anything. Okay. So now next is let's see. Yeah. So let's see if we have this slash. Suppose I want to write that um, you, let's say I can eat tomato or apple. Let's have it right like this, right? So now if I print this, okay, no, that's fine. So let's say I have something like this. Okay, just for an example, I have something like this. Okay, so if I want to print this, say it's coming like I can eat, and then there is a tab and this, and then tomato. So this backslash, it's taking as tab, right? And I want to print it like this. So how do I print it? I have to give another backslash, and then if I print it, it will come like this. So let me clear my screen to show. Okay, see, it is not changing anything, it's keeping it as it is. So if I want to print this backslash, keep it as it is, I have to use this another backslash as the escape character, right? So again, showing this, let's say my original text was like this. You see this is taking it as a tab. Now if I print it, it's coming like this, right? Now I have to use another backslash to preserve my original backslash. So that it will come as the original text. So this is my escape character. Yeah. Okay. So now let's see. Now let's see what we can do. Okay. Yeah. So the next one is what we have is as a new line. So how we can print a new line. So let's say we want to print hello world, right? So if we print it, it will come like this, hello world. Now let's say we want to print hello and world in new line. So for that, we have to introduce like this, and then we can print hello world like this. It's coming in the new line. So that's the new line. How we can print the new line. Okay. So next is, mm, yeah. So next is after new line, carriage return. Yeah. So let's take an example. Let's say I have junior data engineer and I want to use carriage return, which I have to put like this, and I want to instead of junior, I want to put senior, right? So let me comment this. Okay, now and let me clear screen. See, senior data engineer, right? So this is called the carriage return. This is how we can use carriage return. That this will replace the junior JR with SR. So that's the example mm, for carriage return. And next is, yeah, next is simple, which we have already kind of seen. So let's say I want to use a tab between hello world. How do I use it? I can put tab like this, and that's my hello world with the tab. Okay, next we want to do is backspace. So let's say I have John Smith and I want to use a backspace in between. How I can use it? I can use it like this. What it will do is, yeah. So John Smith, I've used a backspace in between. So it will remove N because I have used one backspace. Now, if I use two backspace, what will I have? So it will remove N and J, right? Let's see. See, Joe Smith. So it has removed H and N. Okay. Now let's comment this and let's move forward. We also want to clear here. Now let's do user input. So how we can have user input in our Python code. Let's say I want to input the name from the user. So I have to declare it in this way. Your name. Okay. And then I want to print it. Let's say I will print as I, and we will use string format. You. Okay. And we will use our format. Yep. And put as the name that we have got from the user. Yeah. So let's run this. So what is your name? Let's say Vic. Hi Vic, how are you? Okay. So this is how we will use a input from the user in our Python code. Okay. So let's comment this and let's move forward. Now let's see arithmetic operations, right? So for arithmetic operators, what do we have? So we have normal arithmetic operators in Python. So let's take two sample numbers, maybe equal to 10, equal to 2, right? And then let's print in speed, okay, 12. And let's do some more arithmetic operation. Let's say a minus b, that's 8. We can do a by b. We can do, let's do all of them together, right? These are simple arithmetic operations that we can do. So we can do percentage of p. We can do u times p. We can do, yeah, let's do this. So exponential and reminder as output. Okay, let's see this. Let me clear the screen. You know, that would be easy. Yep, a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b, a divided by b. This is given a float, 5.0. A with reminder as an output, which is 0, so 10. Yeah, and then exponential, so 10 exponential of 2, which is 100. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining today. Okay, I hope you have learned today's session. Yes, thank you once again. Bye.